Auto shop owners, do you want to steal clients from your competition without going to jail? Stop wasting your money on traditional advertising and those coupon packs. And don't even get me started about those crazy characters spinning signs on your parking lot. Look, I'm Crystal with the AI Web Agency, and we hear from other auto shop owners just like you that you are spending twice as much as a year ago and getting less and less results. It's not just you, it's been happening to everyone in the auto industry. But at the AI Web Agency, we have cracked the code on a solution using our artificial intelligence system that literally steals customers from your competitors. With our new AI technology, we have found a way to ethically, legally, and literally steal your competitors' potential clients and deliver them to your doorstep without you going to jail. The system delivers local clients hungry for exactly what you offer and who are currently looking and making a buying decision right now. These aren't leads, these are highly targeted, ready-to-make decision buyers that need what you offer, and we bring them to your doorstep guaranteed. The system delivered over 2,000 new clients to auto shops across North America in the last year. The system added multiple six figures in the first month for this auto dealer and over $50,000 in new revenue for this auto shop in just 6 weeks. The system is offered on a completely guaranteed pay-on-results basis. Nothing leaves your pocket if we don't deliver. This is a completely done-for-you system. We take care of everything. I know this sounds pretty ridiculous, but your competition is doing the same old thing, spending more and seeing less results. Do you want to keep doing what they're doing, or do you want to steal their customers? We are now opening up the system to local auto shops, but due to the massive AI computing power that we deploy, we only have 8 spots available. Also, because of the nature of this strategy, we can only work with one auto shop in each region. That means you need to act now if you want to start getting 10, 20, or more guaranteed new clients. Don't let your competitors start stealing your clients using our technology. It may sound crazy, but the system works amazingly well. So if you're open to getting more clients by legally stealing them from your competitor, then this will be a great fit for you. So click the button below and book a call so we can show you how the system works. Don't wait. Book a call right now before your competitor does.